Here are 9 Christmas gift ideas for travelers. These travel essentials are going to be from Amazon, along with some bonus gift ideas for your carry-on bag. The number 1 Christmas gift idea that is a travel essential is a phone charger. This would make a great Christmas gift for the traveler who will be using their phone in the airport, in the airplane, and then in a rental car. My portable charger is an updated version of the one I have used for years. I returned the 20,000 one because it weighed as heavy as a brick. My name is Laurie and I am a Houston pilot wife teaching you tips to travel based on my experience as a pilot's wife, so you can trust that I have tested these things for gift ideas. I bought this thin wallet for travel because it is also an updated version. It's got this little notch at the end if you need to hook it into your purse or your crossbody bag when you're traveling through a pickpocketing area. It is also RFID. I also have recommended this year because we have to take our cards of proof to certain countries. This passport booklet, it is magnetic closure. It can smush and squish and it's not a bulky item if you're worried about weight in your bags. This gift idea can be used for the airplane as well as while you are on vacation. It has a phone prop on the back. I only use this phone case when I am traveling because it has the accessory to become a phone prop on the tray table in the airplane. When buying a gift for someone who travels a lot, you think of essentials that make flying easier. And if you need a gift idea for a traveler who likes organization, I recommend this technology cord organizer for 4 reasons. The zippers go around the edges, opening up really wide. My husband has the gray version and they just came out with the aqua version. If you have big fingers, it is easy to get into these little bitty pockets. One travel tip for your technology cords is to pack your fragile items that you are going to need for technology on a trip on the inside of this pouch, and then you have all this extra padding on the outside. This bag is made by the Tripped Travel Gear. They are travelers and they're also YouTubers. I have mentioned so many of their products in my travel tip videos, and they are sponsoring this Christmas gift idea video for you. They just released this new gift idea for Christmas, and it is a dusty rose color toiletry kit. And if you haven't seen my other videos, a travel hack is you do not have to pack a toiletry kit zipped all the way up if there's no more room in your suitcase. In a carry-on bag, you may want to lay it flat for packing. If you need to reach into this pouch mid-flight, you can get to the center of your bag without having to open it in your airplane seat. It's like a hidden pocket. And notice how this toiletry kit that does hang up in a hotel room can smush and squish and mold to the space in which you are packing. It also comes in a set of a cube tube. You can pack scarves in the tube cube. You can pack your cords in here. You can pack hair ties, even your socks and undies. That's what I've used it for. And then they also come with a toiletry bag. And this is an updated version that's a little smaller, especially if you are traveling to another country, because sometimes their liquids bag is smaller than ours. I have 2 new crossbodies that I have used the most. This winter, the straps are sold separately, but these crossbody bags are so wonderfully made. They're really pretty zippers and they're smooth zippers, and because the zipper goes over the edge, you can easily get to the inside essentials for travel. It does have 2 outer pockets, which I find convenient for my phone or my chapstick and lipstick, and I can fit my sunglasses case as well as my eyeglass case inside this with my thin wallet and other essentials. Another gift idea is a travel case for your fingernail file. It comes with a glass one, but I only like using an emery board for mine. I have one for my crossbody or my purse during the day, and then one that I keep in my travel bag. Another thing that I use when I travel and in my purse is my Peeps, and it cleans my eyeglasses so easily and quickly and efficiently, much more easily than having a wipe. Something similar to a crossbody bag is a waist belt or a fanny pack. This has 11 pockets and it is bulky if you are going to wear it across your the front of your body, but it also fits around your waist if that's easier for you. I took this to Wisconsin and I do like the zipper quality as well as the bag quality, but there is this back pocket that will be against your body. Very well made, and I tried several before I returned the ones I was not going to use. Another essential for travelers is a backpack if you need to truly be hands-free in the airport. And this is exactly like my other one that I've had for 2 years. It has the same pinstripe inside, and on the list in Amazon, it is a 15.6 size. This one does not have a bar in the top, so it is completely squishable under the airplane seat. My other black and white one has a little bit of a bar at the top. I think its inside capacity is bigger than this one, even though it's listed as the same size on Amazon. This one has 16 pockets, and then the black and white one has 17 pockets. The front big pocket does not go all the way down, which I think protects those valuables that you do have compared to the front pocket of my black and white striped one, but I will list it below. The way you get to see all of these details below and go right to that product is by looking in the paragraph below. You will see the word more after the first sentence, and that will open up the whole description box. And do not miss my new merchandise for our channel. I have travel themed t-shirts. I highly recommend this one. It's in a green color and it is not travel themed, but there are ornaments much like all of our family members and all of the travelers. And the little words on the bottom say the more the merrier. But I also have this style of vacation mode. Notice that this one is the relaxed fit and it does have these kind of roll up things, which I did not even notice when I was buying this for myself. I don't particularly like traveling with a roll-up sleeve because I feel like it's going to have to be ironed or it's going to be flattened when I wash it in the washing machine. I don't like to hand wash stuff. But anyway, this is the size extra large and it is the premium tee. I hope you can trust that I really am telling you quality items for Christmas gift ideas. I bought a pair of isotoner gloves that were supposedly great for using with your phone. No, they did not work at all. Like I was tapping and I had to twist my finger exactly right to tap on my phone to type something or to open up an app. They did not work at all. And then many of you told me about the Head brand. They are on Amazon. And what I love is that this is the size large, which I highly recommend. I think all of the reviews said theirs were size large too. It's like a normal woman's hand. It's just fleece on the outside, but there is some kind of magic technology on the glove that allows it to easily, no matter if your hand is twisted this way or that way, it will easily tap on your phone, even if you need to type on that little bitty keyboard on your phone. There's a little sleeve up here if you do need to slip something through there, and then they can also be attached as well. And I don't think you have to have tiny, tiny thumbs to unclick the little clicker here. Like, do you ever attach your gloves to your ski coat? I've never really done that. I just stuff them in my pockets. I got this because I thought it was such a good idea, especially for preteens or for someone that you cannot be with at Christmas. It's a gift box for them. I also recommend Fly Girl Box, which is a subscription box with little travel essentials in it monthly, but that's a little expensive. This is just a one-time thing and it's on Amazon. This particular one has a cup, it has the straw, the candle that does not smell. I'm very particular about smells, but it is a soy candle. And then there's also a bath bomb and there's also a little pouch that is just really pretty. And then a really dainty necklace that I think is just fun and it's got a heart on it. Another necklace that I highly recommend is this one. They are not on Amazon, and it is an investment piece. It is a luxury gift for Christmas travelers because they are travel themed. They have the Eiffel Tower. They also come in silver or gold. And one thing I want you to notice is if you are left-handed, you can take the airplane off and turn it around so that you can hook the necklace with your left hand. Oh, and I do have a $10 off coupon that I will list in the description below. Another gift idea I thought was so pretty is on Etsy, and it is a customizable pouch. You can choose the letters you want to write on there, or you can make them small. And this is the size large pouch, but because the zippers go around the edges, it is large fill for packing those essentials. Now, Amazon does have a customizable pouch, but it looks like it's tight, like you can't fit your hand down in there easily. So I don't know, I have not tested that one. That is from Etsy, along with this container. I use it for my hearing aid accessories. And if you have a traveler that you're buying a gift for with large fingers, I finally found this case from a hearing aid family whose little boy has a cochlear implant and a hearing aid. These are little accessories that I would use once I get to my location. So I'm gonna pack it in my carry-on suitcase. I do have a carry-on suitcase that I love that is spinner, and it's 20-ish inches tall. The capacity inside is deep. You can see that I can fit 3 paper towels inside there and close it completely. I did not pack for Canada inside my 22-inch soft-sided suitcase. I packed inside my hard shell that's 20 inches-ish because I could fit more shoes in it because of the 2 different sides for some reason. So it is a great suitcase, and I have tested it many times, dropping it over curbs, bringing it up hotel room outer stairs. So they are rugged wheels as well. I highly recommend it. My parents are both teachers, so we grew up camping across the United States for an entire summer and back to Georgia. So I bought my brother a set of compression packing cubes that were national park themed, and they are also by the Tripped brand. The reason I bought the compression cube set is because you get 2 large cubes in a set of 6 things. Well, now they have an even better one. These are world travel themed. I have a whole video that shows why compression cubes are so great. And if you don't use compression cubes, you do not have to use the second zipper. You can just use 1 zipper and they're just a packing cube. But because of the high quality zippers, there is a second zipper that compresses the air between your clothes, leaving you or opening up more space, I think, to pack. Here's the Sydney Opera House, the Taj Mahal, the Bali Temple, Santorini, Greece, the Marina Bay Sands in Singapore. Oh, they're just so great. If you are on more of a budget, they have just the plain aqua that would go along with the aqua travel cord organizer and the aqua toiletry kit that I have. I also tried several of these turtleneck sweaters, and the reason I recommend them, the voluminous turtleneck does not jut your head forward, making it a thick, heavy outerwear. I did try all of the colors. I did not like the teal color, but all of them feel the same. This style of sweater can be worn in the airplane because you can still wear a backpack and it's not going to mess up the look of your airport outfit. But you know, my main travel tip is do not wear white inside the airplane. And I only learned that after doing that like 3 times inside the airplane. If you are traveling over the winter, I have 13 outfit ideas for you that will fit inside a carry-on suitcase. So I will link that video for you, and I will put it with some other packing tip videos in the description below. Say hey and Merry Christmas to all of you. Thank you for watching, and let me know what you found that was creative for your traveler family member.